Want to keep your Windows computer running smoothly with Microsoft PC Manager. This free utility from Microsoft helps you clean up storage, boost performance, manage startup apps, and monitor your PC's health, all from one place. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to use Microsoft PC Manager in 2026. First, open Microsoft PC Manager from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. After the app loads, you'll see the main dashboard with several tools for improving your computer's performance. Start by using the PC Boost feature. Click the Boost button to clear temporary files and free up memory that may be slowing down your system. Yeah, this is a quick way to improve performance before running demanding applications. Next, open Health Check. This feature scans your computer for unnecessary files, startup items, browser issues, and other areas that can be optimized. Review the results, then apply the recommended fixes if you're comfortable with them. Now explore the storage management section. You can remove temporary files, locate large files, and free up valuable disk space to help your computer run more efficiently. Open the Startup Apps section to review programs that automatically launch when Windows starts. Disable any apps you don't need right away to help reduce startup time and improve overall performance. Finally, take a look at the remaining tools available in Microsoft PC Manager, such as security checks, process management, and Windows Update shortcuts. Using these features regularly can help keep your PC clean, secure, and responsive. And that's how to use Microsoft PC Manager in 2026. By regularly boosting performance, cleaning up storage, and managing startup apps, you can keep your Windows computer running at its best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.